Good morning, children. Today we are going to see in metric measurement the last part of the metric measurement, that is the units of capacity and capacity measurement. So in this we will learn the conversion and the problem solving, because all the calculation part is same as like the unit of length and the weight, so same way only. So you can do it by yourself, the addition and the subtraction also same way only how to do. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here units of capacity. First we are going to learn the conversion. So here in units of capacity you have the conversion, that is liter to milliliter, milliliter to liter. This is the thing commonly we use in our day-to-day life. So this two conversion only you are going to learn. So for this, the formula for this, how to find. So here I have arranged the units of capacity in order from small to big. I have written first milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. So these are the order. So when you write this order, then it will be easy for you to find whether to multiply or divide, and to find out by which number to multiply or divide. Okay, let's see now. See here, we have to convert liter to milliliter. So liter is here, milliliter is here. So liter to milliliter you have to go. So liter to milliliter, so you have to go upward. Liter to milliliter you have to go upward. So when you go upward, you have to multiply. Okay, so by which number to multiply? You see here how many steps you are going. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps you are going. So 3 zeros. So 3 zeros. So the number with 3 zeros is 1000. So here you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so the formula will be 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the formula. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. Okay, another way also to remember this one, how to remember this one. Here you see we are going to convert liter. Liter is big and the milliliter is small. So this is big and this milliliter is small. So when you convert the big one to small one, you have to multiply. So this way also you can remember. Okay, now the next one. So you remember the formula. This is the formula, and whether to multiply or divide, you can directly find this way also, big to small. So you are multiplying. Otherwise you see we are going upward, means you have to multiply. Next one, we have milliliter to liter. You have to convert the milliliter to liter. So here also if you find, here milliliter is small, liter is big. So milliliter is small, liter is big. So when you convert small to big, what you have to do? Just opposite. Here you have to do the division. Okay, so now if you come here, how to do this one? So let's check here. You are coming here, milliliter to liter. So milliliter is here, liter is here. So you have to come downward. So you are coming downward. So when you come downward, you have to divide. When you come downward, you have to divide. So you remember, when you come downward, you have to divide. So now by which number to divide? See here, milliliter to liter, you are coming 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. You are coming down 3 steps. So when you come down 3 steps, it is 30. So the number with 30 is 1000. So that means you have to divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. So the formula will be, so the formula is, you are coming from milliliter to liter. So first the milliliter only should come here. So 1 milliliter equal to, and here you are going to divide. So divide means this 1000 should be in fraction. Fraction only, it shows that it is division. Okay, so it is in multiplication. So you wrote just 1000. Since it is division, so you will write in fraction. So this will be 1 by 1000 milliliter. 1 by 1000 milliliter. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, so for small to big you divide and use this formula. For big to small you multiply and you use this formula. And for both the conversion you can use this formula, there is no problem. But you see that where to multiply and divide you have to be careful. If you write it properly then it won't be any mistake. Okay, so let's start the conversion. Okay, here first sum, convert 8 liter into milliliter. So 8 liter it is and it is milliliter. So big one to small one. So big one to small one you have to multiply. Okay, so the formula is here liter to milliliter. So you can write 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So this is the formula. You write the formula. So we have here 8 liter equal to 8 into, you remove this liter and in this place you write multiply 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. You see that when it is in calculation this side is liter. Now as you multiply here it becomes milliliter. Don't write liter here, then it is a wrong method of writing. Okay, so here liter, as you multiply here it will become milliliter. Okay, now 8 into 1000, 8000. So it is 8000 milliliter. This is the answer. So last you take and write the answer. 8 liter equal to 8000 milliliter. 8 liter equal to 8000 milliliter. Okay, next one. Convert 4 liter 345 milliliter into milliliter. There was in last sum only liter was there. Here we have milliliter also. So what we will do, this 4 liter as we have done in the last sum, the same way you will multiply by 1000 and after that this milliliter you will add with that, you will plus with that. Okay, since you have to convert into milliliter, this 345 is already in milliliter, so you need not to convert this one into again milliliter. Okay, so this one just you will add after converting this 4 liter into milliliter. Okay, so here also the same formula, liter to milliliter. So big to small. So the formula is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the formula. So let's start the calculation now. 4 liter 345 milliliter equal to 4 liter. So liter, you remove this liter and you have to write into 1000 milliliter. Into 1000 milliliter. Again this 345 milliliter, it is already in milliliter. You are converting into milliliter only. So this you will not do anything, just you have to plus it there. So plus 345 milliliter. Okay, now 4 into 1000, 4000. So 4000 milliliter plus 345 milliliter. So 4000 plus 345, 4345 milliliter. Okay, now this addition, here in this addition, so now this is all the digits are there, so it is easy, but sometimes you make mistake. Last time it was there like it was like 4000 gram plus 4 gram. It was like that, somebody had written 44 gram. Just they have put this number and this number, that's all, because here also we are putting this number and this number, no, so the same way you have just joined and written the answer. This is wrong. So those who are making mistake like this people, you arrange the digit in order like this, then you plus and write. Okay, so that you won't make mistake. This is already in 4 digit, so the answer also should be in 4 digit. It should not be in 2 digit, then it is wrong. Okay, so whenever you write the answer, look whether you are writing the answer which makes sense. Okay, the numbers are in 4 digit, after adding the answer is in 2 digits. How is it possible? Okay, here it is already in 4 digit and the answer will be in 2 digit, means it doesn't make a sense. Okay, so look carefully whenever you write the answer. Be careful, add properly. If you are making mistake, and write it. Okay, last you have to take and write the answer. 4 liter 345 milliliter equal to 4345 milliliter. Okay, here before we saw big to small, now small to big. Let's see how to calculate small to big. So here for the small to big, I told you to use the formula 1 milliliter. Milliliter is small, equal to, this is division, small to big. So you have to write 1 by 1000 in fraction, and liter. You are converting into liter. So bigger unit should be on the right side, small unit on the left side. 1 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. Here you can also write this formula, it is not a mistake. Okay, you can also write this formula, but when you write the calculation part, there should not be any mistake, because here it is division, so it should be division. Okay, since you write here, you should not multiply here. Okay, in this calculation it is small to big, so you have to divide. So you will write the division. Okay, it is not compulsory you have to write only this formula or this formula. Anyone you write, but the calculation part you have to be careful. Since it is small to big, you have to divide. Okay, now 15,000 milliliter equal to 15,000. This milliliter you are dividing by 1000. So once you divide by 1000, it will become liter. So 15 divide by this one. So this milliliter I will rub it. Okay, now see here, zeros are there, no, 3 zeros and 3 zeros. For 1 0 you can cancel. Again for another 0 you will cancel another 0. Okay, so like that you can cancel here. So for 1 0 I am cancelling 1 0. For another 0 again another 0. For 1 0 1 0. Listen, suppose here 2 zeros and here 3 zeros are there, and here suppose 3 zeros are here and here only 2 zeros are there. You cannot cancel all the 3 and here all the 2. Okay, for 1 0 only, 1 0 only you can 1 0 only you can cancel. For another 0 you will cancel another 0. So this you cannot cancel, since for this you don't have another pair here. Okay, so don't make mistake when you cancelling. Since I am teaching this cancelling method, you will learn in higher classes. So I taught you to make the calculation little bit shorter. So you all are making mistake in that. Okay, now after cancelling, now what it is remaining here 1 and here 15. So 15 divide by 1. So if you divide any number by 1, so it is the same number only will be the answer. So here 15 divide by 1 will be 15. So 15 liter is the answer. So 15,000 milliliter equal to 15 liter. This is the answer. Okay, now the next sum. Convert 9045 milliliter to liter. So this also small to big. Small to big you have to divide. So we will use the formula here. 1 small to big. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, so now 9045 milliliter equal to 9045 divide by 1000 liter. We are dividing by 1000 here. So to divide, already I have told, just you write the number with the gap so that you can keep the point here. So here 3 zeros are there in 1000. So from this side, from the right side, okay, this is the right side, this is the left side. So from the right side, since there are 3 zeros, so after 3 digit, okay, so 1 2 3. So this is the third digit. So before this digit you have to keep a point. So the point will come here. Okay, the point will come here. So it is now liter. Okay, now the next part you are making mistake, so be careful here. With this, now this point is dividing this number left side and the right side. So with the left side number, this the bigger unit will join. Okay, so this will be 9 liter. And the right side you have 0.45. So with this the smaller unit will join. The smaller unit is what? Milliliter. So it will be 0.45 milliliter. Okay, and you see here, now this 0 is useless. You will read this number only 45. So this 0 has no value. So you will write just 45 milliliter. So when you write the answer, you can write it just 9045 milliliter equal to 9 liter 45 milliliter. You can write it. Since I don't have any space down, I am writing here. You can write it down. 9 liter 45 millimeter. This is the answer. Okay, now conversion part I have completed. Now let's see addition and subtraction in problem solving. Okay. So now here you see I am solving from 3.4 exercise. I am solving few sums from there. So this is the first one, A1. So the question is given here. There was 13 liter 250 milliliter oil in one pouch and 80 liter 60 milliliter oil in the other pouch. They were poured in a container. So this both they are pouring in another container. How much oil was poured in the container? So you have to find now how much is poured. Okay, I think you understand this problem. Listen here. Suppose now you can, this is the pouch, okay, and here is the pouch. So here also oil is here, and here also oil is here, and here is a big container is here. So now these are poured here. These two are poured here. Now when you pour this both, how much oil will be here? That is the thing they are asking here. Okay, so what we have to do now? This also poured inside and this also poured inside. So this will be the oil, the quantity of oil in the container will be this plus this. The quantity of oil here and the quantity of oil here. So these two you have to plus here. Okay, so the quantity of oil in one pouch. So the quantity of oil in one pouch is it is given quantity of oil in one pouch is 13 liter 250 milliliter. So 13 is liter, so I am writing in liter. 250 is milliliter, so I am writing in milliliter. And in another pouch is 80 liter 60 milliliter. So 80 liter 60 milliliter. 60. Okay, so you have to arrange 60. This is the way. Not from here. Should not arrange. So 0 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place. There is no number in 100's place. So here you have to put 0 so that you won't make any mistake. So now this is, you have to add here. So this is plus. You have to plus here. So let's plus now. 0 plus 0, 0. Again 5 plus 6, 11. So in 11, 1 you will write here and the 1 will be carried here. So now here 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. So here 3. And here 3 plus 0, 3. And 1 plus 8, 9. So the oil poured in the container is 93 liter 310 milliliter. 93 liter 310 milliliter. Okay, same way, this is the way only you will do the addition and subtraction also. You have to arrange the digits in properly. And here also in liter and milliliter, this comparison, in these units, the milliliter should have the 3 digits. Okay, with the liter and milliliter, milliliter, when they are coming in this pair, if these two are paired up, and the milliliter should have 3 digit. If any one digit is missing, then in that place you can put 0 in front, not at the back. Okay, you put in front 0 and you press it. Okay, now the next one. A truck driver fills 300 liter 575 milliliter of diesel to get the tank of his truck full. So he is filling up this much diesel. So once he filled this much liter of diesel, the tank is now full. So the maximum capacity is 1000 liter. Okay, that means already some diesel was inside. Okay, that's why as he poured this much, it is already filled. Okay, so this is the maximum capacity. Now this much he has filled. So how much was already in that diesel tank, that you have to find. So already was there. So this is the keyword for minus. So you have to subtract. Okay, here maximum capacity is 1000 liter. Maximum capacity is how much liter? 1000 liter. So 1000 is liter. So you have to write in liter place, and there is no milliliter. You have to put 0, and liter and milliliter place, I told it should be 3 digits. So you put 3 zeros. Again we have diesel filled. So how much he has filled? 3 liter 575 milliliter. 300 liter. So 300 liter. So here also you should arrange from this side. Okay, not from here. Here the digit will not come. 300 liter and 575 milliliter. 575 milliliter. So now what you have to do? This is minus. To find already how much was there, you have to minus. So let's minus now. You cannot minus here. 5 is big, 0 is small, so you cannot minus. So you have to borrow all the way from the 1. So from 1 directly you cannot borrow here. So you have to give to the next digit. From there you will give next, like that only it will come. Okay, so if you do it like that, so how it will be now? From this 1 only you will get. So after giving 1, here 0 will remain. Okay, so that 1 will come here. So this will be now 10. So from 10 you give 1. So 9 will be there. And now this will be now 10. So from 10 you will give 1. 9 will remain. And now that 1 will come here, and this will be 10. So from 10 if you give 1, 9 will remain. And that 1 will come here, and this will be 10. So from 10 you will give here 1. So 9 will remain. So that 1 here will be 10. Then from here you give 1. 9 will remain. And now this will be 10. Okay, so the last part is having now 10. So now all zeros became, wherever 0 was there, now all got the numbers here. 9999. The last one will have 10. Okay, now let's start the calculation. Okay, so now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Next, 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Then 9 minus 5, 4. Then 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0 is not 0. Okay, 9 minus 0 is 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. Next 9 minus 3, 6. So the oil already how much was there? Means 699 liter 425 milliliter. Okay, 699 liter 425 milliliter. Okay, last you can take and write the answer. Now next sum. Kushal had 275 milliliter of cold drink. Had means he has drank. Okay, this much he has drank. Mona drank 350 milliliter and Trisha drank 175 milliliter. Okay, they are drinking from a bottle. So the bottle capacity is 2 liter. 2 liter bottle. So from the 2 liter bottle they are drinking the cool drinks. So 3% how much quantity they have drank, it is given. So now we have to find how much is left. So left means it is a keyword for minus, so you have to minus. And you must remember, minus means you need only two numbers, but you have here 2 liter, 175 milliliter, 350 milliliter, 275 milliliter. You have 4 measurements are there. Okay, so you must remember that. That means here addition also is there. So this is the total capacity, no? So from here you have to minus. So this is for minus, this is one of the number. So you need to find the other number to minus. To find this other number, so remaining whatever the measurements are there, that all you add up. Okay, whatever is there, 175 milliliter, 350 milliliter, 275 milliliter, you have to add. Okay, so let's see here. See here, Kushal, how much he had? Here he had 275 milliliter. 275 milliliter. Okay. 275 milliliter. Again, Mona had 350 milliliter. 350 milliliter Mona had. Again, Trisha had. Trisha had 175 milliliter. 175 milliliter. So now you have to find how much they all together drank. Okay, so to find that, what you have to do, you have to plus. So let's plus now. 5 plus 0 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. So in 10, 0 you will write here and 1 you will carry to the next place. Okay, here 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7, 20. So in 20, 0 you will write here, 2 you will carry here. 2 you will carry here. And here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So they have drank 800 milliliter. They have drank 800 milliliter they have drank. Okay, 800 milliliter they have drank. This much they have drank. So now we have to find how much is remaining. So to find the remaining amount, okay, first we will write the bottle capacity. So the bottle capacity is 2 liter. So that is 2 liter and there is no milliliter. So milliliter place you have to put 0. And I told in milliliter, in this pair should have 3 digits. So I am putting 3 zeros here. Okay, next cold drink drank. So how much they have drank together? 800 milliliter. So this 800 is in milliliter. So you will write in milliliter place. So you have to write here. Okay, some of you make mistake. This is 800 is milliliter, so they fill up here because there is no milliliter here, no, so they fill up here. That is wrong. Okay, so this is one measurement and this is another measurement, so you cannot write it together. Okay, so this is 2 liter, it has no milliliter, so in milliliter place you will put 0. This is 800 milliliter, so you will write in milliliter place and it has no liter, so in liter place you will put 0. Okay, so now how much the cold drink left? So left is the keyword for minus, so here we have to do the minus. We will do the minus here. So let's minus now. 0 minus 0, 0. Next 0 minus 0, 0. Next we have 0 minus 8, you cannot minus, so you will borrow from here. You will borrow from here, so from here if you give, here 1 will remain and that 1 comes here, it will be now 10. Okay, now you have got 10 minus 8, so 10 minus 8, 2. It is 2 and here 1 minus 0, 1. So how much is remaining is 2 liter and 200 milliliter. Okay, so the remaining cold drink is 1 liter 200 milliliter. This much is remaining. Okay, the next one, the last one. Virat, Mohit, Naman buy color sprinklers. They are buying color sprinklers. See, sprinklers have different capacity to fill the water. Okay, so here Virat is his sprinkler capacity is 375 milliliter. Mohit sprinkler capacity is 275 milliliter, and Naman sprinkler capacity is 400 milliliter. So this is a sprinkler they have bought with a different capacity. So now they need the water to fill. Okay, so how much water now they have to how much water they need to fill their sprinklers. So that is the total capacity of their sprinklers. Okay, so first for that you have to find the capacity of the sprinklers. So each one I have written 375, 275 ml, 400 ml. So this all you have to plus. So let's plus and write. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10 only. So 0 you will write here and 1 you will carry here. Now here 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So in 15, 5 you will write here and 1 you will carry here. Okay, now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So you have 1050 milliliter. Okay, so this is the total capacity for all the sprinklers. Okay, so now that much, this is the quantity of the water needed to fill the sprinklers, but they are asking you have to give in liter and milliliter. So you have to give the answer in liter and milliliter. Already you know this is in milliliter. You have to give in liter means you have to convert this small one into the bigger unit. So small one into bigger unit, what you have to do? The formula is 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. This is a formula. So you have to divide by 1000. So 1050 you have to divide by 1000. So once you divide by 1000, it will be milliliter. It will be liter. So you keep the point here. So when you keep a point here, 3 zeros, so 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So the point will come here. Here will be the point. So now this will be 1 and 50 separated. So 1 will be the bigger amount. This right side will be the bigger unit. So that will be 1 liter. And the left side of the point 50 is there. This will be the smaller quantity. So that is the milliliter. So 50 milliliter. So they have asked the answer in liter and milliliter. So the water needed is 1 liter 50 milliliter. Okay, how to give the answer in liter and milliliter. So this is the way we give. Okay, that's all. Now your homework is exercise 3.4 fully you can complete. So you have till the next Monday, you have the timing you can do. So between I will give little explanation after this 3 days. Any Saturday or Friday I will give the explanation for check yourself also for only for the exercise. So you can complete within this week the unit of measurement. Okay, Monday I will start a new chapter. Thank you.